Hey everyone, welcome to another InMotion Hosting video tutorial. My name is Arnel Custodio, and today we will be discussing how to request a website transfer with Launch Assist. If you're moving to InMotion's website hosting solutions, then you may need to make use of this service that InMotion Hosting provides. It allows you to move website files, media files, and databases to your InMotion Hosting account, all through InMotion's website transfer specialists. Before we start, let's explain Launch Assist. Launch Assist is a service provided by our managed hosting team to help VPS or dedicated server customers to get up and running with their hosting accounts. Launch Assist is at least 2 hours of free service, and it may be 4 hours if you have a dedicated commercial class subscription account. All website transfer requests will consume the free Launch Assist time. Additional Launch Assist time can be purchased through AMP or by contacting InMotion support or customer service teams. If you have used up your Launch Assist time and you do not wish to purchase any further time, then the normal WTR form will be available through the account management panel. The main difference is that a website transfer request done through Launch Assist automatically receives free priority, whereas a website request not done through Launch Assist will incur an additional charge to be prioritized. To begin, you will need to log in to the account management panel. Type in your username and password, then let them know you're not a robot. You will then see the AMP menu. Look for the Launch Assist transfer request icon and click on it. In the next screen, you will see the website transfer request Step 1 form. Fill in the information as accurately as you can. The first entry you'll need to fill out is the contact email ID. This is the email address that the website transfer specialist will be using to communicate with you during the transfer process. For the old host, click on the drop-down menu to see a list of possible host companies. If you don't see yours listed, then select Other and type in the name of the hosting company that you're using. You'll then see a question that asks if you're using cPanel or WHM. Select Yes or No to indicate that your old host used or didn't use cPanel or WHM for its web server interface. Then you'll be asked for the number of sites that you're going to be transferring with this request. Please note that one website or cPanel restoration is done free of charge. Additional websites to be transferred will incur an added cost. You will be contacted by a website transfer specialist if there are additional costs for your website transfer request. The website transfer request section is for additional information that allows the website transfer team to access your old hosting server. Please include any information that we need to reach your server so that there are no delays to your website migration. You will then see a notification screen indicating that the request was sent. Click on Confirm to acknowledge that you have permitted us to access your old host and move the website files per your request. And that completes the transfer form. Remember that there is normally some time associated with the website transfer. Factors that affect the transfer time include size of the website and database files, the number of websites being moved, and the workload of the website transfer team. When you're contacted about the completion of your website transfer, make sure to check all the functionality of your website. For more information, click on the icon in the top right-hand portion of this screen, and you'll find an article on ensuring a successful website transfer. Congratulations! You now know how to submit a website transfer request through Launch Assist in AMP. All Launch Assist website transfer requests are prioritized and completed as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching this video tutorial. If you liked our video, make sure to give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching and have a great day. Check out our InMotion Hosting Support Center for help with your website. We provide thousands of step-by-step guides, videos, and much more to lead you towards making your online project a successful one. You can find us at www.inmotionhosting.com/support.